Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the RAINBARS indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RAINBARS indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 47 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 516 indicators, with 216 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the RAINBARS indicator, a play on rainbow because it is quite colorful. Basically what it is a moving average ribbon indicator. And so if I back up here a little bit more, you can see how it forms this nice little colorful ribbon. What I did was I went in and tried to isolate one specific color of a bar. You can see that the bars are obviously colored, and I tried to isolate just one specific color of one bar and change that to a very distinct different color, so that way we know what our entry and exit color or bar would be. And I changed that to purple, and I changed the number 15 green bar is the one that I changed. Felt like that one was a decent kind of middle ground, gave a decent little buffer in the cross up and down of the moving average. And so what we're looking for is when price action is below kind of the main ribbon, the main blue ribbon, then we are looking for a purple candle, and then we will go short. When price action is trading above the main ribbon, the blue kind of colored ribbon there, then we are looking for a purple bar, and we are going to go long. And so we might test this one in other ways, we'll see, but let's go ahead and try it this way, see what we can get out of it. Maybe it'll go ahead and go on the winning list, and then we can tweak it, play with it later. Let's go ahead and get on to testing and see what we can get. All right, so the first signal that we picked up technically was a long signal. Well, I mean, let's say technically, but I'm not 100% sure because it was kind of skirting the line between, the being below the blue moving averages and being above. And so what I went ahead and did was just went ahead and marked that one as a losing trade, consider it a long trade, and it got stopped out there. Then the second one we got was right here. That one was a short trade. You can see that price action is above the blue colored moving averages there, the blue colored band. And you can see that price action dumps down really quickly right there after the entry. That one also stopping us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we picked up was a long signal right here. We barely got to take profit there on that little push, that initial little push right there. And so that one was a winner. Then we picked up a long over here on this side, and unfortunately price action dumped pretty quickly on that one, also stopping us out. So let's go ahead and continue forward, see if we can't go ahead and finish out this year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here, see what we get out of this. There. All right, let's count these out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 trades altogether, and we have 1 and 2 winners. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. Interesting indicator. Like I say, we might play around with this, maybe trying a few other colors, see if we can't dial something in. If you viewers out there want to play around with it also and throw out your opinion, what we could use, what color we might be best suited to use for this kind of strategy, then you guys can do that. We'll see, but for now it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.